Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here again, back again with the new topic. As you know, I explore everything in the life. So today I have brought up a new AirPod which comes in the budget range and which is comparatively same to as an Apple product. So before that, if you have not liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that because I'm going to bring up a lot of new things that I do. I always say that. So let's get started. So guys, this is a 100% genuine premium quality product from Joy Room. I brought it up from Dubai, which is the cost of this product is 74 AED, which is approximately 1400 in Indian rupees, we can say. But this was in the discount. It is genuinely cost for about 150 AED, which is comparatively to Indian currency around 3000 rupees. So which is a genuine product. The feature wise, you can see it has got main secondary switching function, touch operation, and in area detection. So it is going to work as a detection of the sound and noise cancellation also. I hope so. It has got 3 days of battery 3 hours of battery backup, 4000 mAh battery power, and which is going to last for 80 hours with the long music hearing. Okay, so it has got, let's see inside what is got. So we'll start. Lot of function has been mentioned over here, what we are looking for to have a smooth calling and same time music. So we'll just have a look. What a nice packaging they have done. See, so nice looking and very compact, good looking. I really liked it. So that's the thing. Oh my goodness, it has got a pre-pouch to carry the product. That's the ring. Along with that, oh, that's the lovely, almost genuine look like AirPod. That's the real one. Oh, that's so nice. Looks good. That's the genuine product. Along with that, it has got a cable for charging purpose, and this is gonna be wireless. If you have a wireless charger, it's going to work on that also. And because I use AirPod Pro, almost I'm just comparing almost the same feature, I hope so, with the Joy Room logo over here. So that's it. In my next video, I'm going to share how to connect this same product to the Android phones, so that it's easy for people to use it. And guys, if you are looking to buy it, I'm sure this is the value for money. It's going to give you a perfect experience that you are looking for. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time, lovely time with your friends and family. Take care.